The landscape of global finance is undergoing a permanent shift, moving far beyond the walls of traditional exchanges. Welcome to the age of 24/7 global prediction platforms, where every moment is an opportunity for market participation. The constraints of the 9-to-5 trading day are dissolving. Investors now demand access that never sleeps. This digital ecosystem operates continuously, fueled by real-time connectivity and decentralized technologies. Information travels instantly, and market participants are responding with unprecedented speed to global developments. Investors no longer wait for the opening bell. They are active during off hours, capturing value in a truly globalized market. Geography has become irrelevant. A policy change in one hemisphere is felt instantly through trading activity in another. Modern retail investors are pivoting toward event-based trading, turning socioeconomic outcomes into tradable assets. From interest rate adjustments to executive policy shifts, retail capital is flowing into markets focused on specific outcomes. Prediction platforms now integrate sports results and geopolitical outcomes, expanding the definition of market data. The underlying mechanics rely on sophisticated algorithms designed to aggregate decentralized forecasts into singular prices. Continuous price discovery allows for an efficient, real-time reflection of public sentiment regarding future events. Dynamic neon charts and global overlays allow participants to visualize complex trend correlations as they emerge. Risk management is no longer static. It is reactive, evolving alongside the information cycle of the event itself. Event-based risk management gives traders the tools to hedge against uncertainty with surgical precision. By staking positions on specific outcomes, market participants can offset exposure to volatile macroeconomic shifts. We are observing the democratization of forecasting, where data-driven insights compete in an open, continuous market. This landscape is objective, analytical, and relentless, forcing investors to stay informed every second of the day. The evolution of decentralized platforms suggests a future where prediction and finance become indistinguishable from the flow of global information.